How Kakeibo works, the Japanese secret to saving money. What is Kakeibo, exactly? Family finance ledger is the literal translation of this Japanese term. Essentially, it serves as a tangible budgeting journal. Where did it originate? In a 1904 issue of a Japanese women's magazine, journalist Hani Motoko wrote about the method. How does Kakeibo work? Kakeibo keeps true to its Japanese roots by requiring actual handwriting. 4 types of spending by Kakeibo. 1. Needs. 2. Wants. 3. Culture. 4. Unexpected. How does Kakeibo differ from other budgeting methods? To begin with, users manually input budget items in real time. According to various studies, handwriting is a calming, reflective activity that improves memory. How does it enable you to save money? This method shows you how to progressively and successfully save money over time, and also serves as a tool for long-term financial planning. Who is Kakeibo most suitable for? 1. Individuals saving money for the first time. 2. Fearful or hesitant budgeters. 3. Inconsistent budgeters. 4. Envelope budgeters.